Hello, I hope you are doing well. Until the end, the video will be with us. The first thing that comes to mind when you hear the name of scorpion is the painful sting of this small arthropod. It is interesting that many, without experiencing a scorpion sting or even having much information about this beautiful and small animal, are unconsciously afraid when they hear the word scorpion. But there are interesting facts about this arthropod that many people certainly do not know about, and it will be interesting for them to hear these facts. For this reason, in the continuation of this article, we want to provide you with more information about this lovely animal, which will undoubtedly be interesting to you. Stay with us. 1. Scorpions give birth to children. Unlike insects that generally lay eggs, scorpions give birth to children, which is called viviparity in scientific terms. In fact, some types of scorpions have a structure similar to a uterus, where the babies in it both use nutrients from sperm and feed on food provided by the mother. Some other types of scorpions do not have such a structure, and their food is provided directly by the mother. The pregnancy period in this small animal can vary between 2 months and 18 months depending on the type of scorpion. After birth, the baby scorpion goes on the mother's back and remains there until the first molt. After the first molting, young scorpions leave their mother. 2. Scorpions have a long life. Compared to other animals, arthropods have a relatively short lifespan, and many insects only live for a few weeks or even a few months. But scorpions have the longest lifespan among many arthropods. In nature, scorpions live between 2 and 10 years, but in captivity, this period will increase to 25 years. 3. Scorpions are ancient creatures. If you could go back 300 million years ago, you would encounter the ancestors of scorpions, which they have a lot to their descendants today. The fossils discovered from this animal show that scorpions have not changed much since the Carboniferous period. Most likely, the first ancestors of scorpions lived in the seas, and many of them had gills, and in the Silurian period, 420 million years ago, some of these creatures found their way to land. The first species of terrestrial scorpions had compound eyes. 4. Scorpions are very tough arthropods, have lived on land for over 400 million years, and today's scorpions can live up to 25 years. This is no accident because Scorpios are survival heroes. A scorpion can survive almost a whole year without food. Since scorpions, like horseshoe crabs, have book lungs, they can survive underwater for more than 48 hours. Also, scorpions usually live easily in harsh, hot and dry environments, and only through the humidity that they get the water they need from their prey. The body metabolism rate of scorpions is very low, and it needs only 1/10 of the oxygen of insects. In general, it can be said that scorpions are difficult to get rid of. 5. Scorpions are members of the arachnid family. Scorpions are arthropods that belong to the arachnid family. Arachnids include spiders, mites and threshing spiders, and all scorpion-like creatures that are not actually scorpions, such as pseudoscorpions. Like their arthropod cousins, scorpions have a 2-part body that includes the head, chest, and abdomen as one part, and legs. Although scorpions have many structural similarities with other types of arachnids, scientists who have studied the evolution of this creature believe that scorpions are more closely related to the family of threshing spiders. 6. Scorpions dance rituals before mating. Before the mating of scorpions, it is very complicated and eventful, which in scientific terms is called promenade à deux, which literally means walk for two. This dance begins when the male and female scorpions approach each other. In fact, the male scorpion takes the sensory foot of the female scorpion, called pedipalp, and moves it back and forth with dance-like movements to find the right place for its reproductive system, called spermatophore, which is a tube containing sperm. When he has placed his sperms in the right place, The female scorpion's body moves towards it, and the reproductive system of the female scorpion is kept open on these sperms so that he can pull the sperms into himself. In nature, as soon as the mating process is over, the male scorpion quickly moves away from the female scorpion. But in captivity, the female scorpion, who is delighted by the dance of the male scorpion, eats him. 7 scorpions glow in the dark for specific reasons that scientists still don't agree on. Scorpions glow under UV light. In fact, the hard shell or the skin of the scorpion's body absorbs the ultraviolet light and reflects it in a spectacular light, and this issue has made it easy for scorpion scientists. In fact, by shining a dark light on the scorpion's habitat, these scientists make the scorpions show themselves simply and with their bright bodies. Although only 600 species of scorpions were identified until several decades ago, researchers in recently, more than 2,000 species of scorpions have been identified using ultraviolet light. When a scorpion molts, its new skin is soft and initially lacks the substance that can produce fluorescent light. Therefore, newly molted scorpions do not show themselves in the dark. It is interesting that even though they have been in the heart of rocks for hundreds of millions of years, the fossils of scorpions still retain their fluorescent properties and shine in the dark. 8 scorpions hunt and eat everything they can. They hunt at night and their diet consists mostly of insects, spiders and other arachnids and arthropods. However, some others also feed on earthworms and worms. As a rule, larger spiders can eat larger prey. Therefore, it has been seen that some large scorpions have also hunted small rodents and lizards. All in all, it should be said that many scorpions will eat anything they can catch that they find tasty, and others only feed on insects and certain species such as beetles or burrowing spiders. In cases where food is scarce, the mother scorpion eats her babies. 9 scorpions are poisonous. Yes, scorpions produce poison in their bodies. The scary tail of the scorpion actually consists of 5 abdominal segments with an upturned nose and an endpiece with a sharp tip called telson. The poison is made in the telson part, at the end of which there is a narrow pointed channel like a needle, which is called sting, aculeus, and actually the poison enters the body of the victim through this pointed tool. A scorpion can control the time of venom production and the strength of this venom, and it does this based on the need to kill its prey or defend itself against predators. 10. Not all scorpions are dangerous. Of course, all scorpions sting and the pain from their bite will not be pleasant. But the fact is that, with only a few exceptions, scorpions do not pose much of a threat to humans. Of the 2,000 known species of scorpions in the world, only 25 species produce venom so strong that it can endanger the life of an adult human. Children are more vulnerable to scorpion venom because their body size is smaller. In the United States, there is a type of scorpion called Arizona bark scorpion in the deserts of the state of Arizona, whose venom will easily kill a boy. Fortunately, the antidote to this deadly poison has also been discovered. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to our page to be informed about our latest videos. Have a good time.